Everyone. We are done answering the following activities yesterday, right? And we will now continue um, on the practical research one, module one. So let's continue with our lesson three on the quantitative research and qualitative research. In the previous lesson, we have learned the characteristics, processes, and ethics in the research, right? And in the next lesson, we will talk about the difference between the quantitative and qualitative research. Are you ready to learn? All right, great. So let's now identify the two kinds of research, the quantitative versus the qualitative research. Please take note the following salient points. One is quantitative research. Quantitative research is a positivist scientific method which refers to a general set of orderly discipline procedures to acquire information. And mostly, it is concerned with numbers and measurement. In the case of qualitative research, it is defined as the naturalistic method of research which deals with the concern of human difficulty by discovering it straightly. It is concerned with the experiences, understanding, and the words of the individual. Okay, so bali mo ni sila ang imong mga ginapangutana, no? Imong gina-interview from a person or you're asking from their experiences. And for quantitative, it's more on measuring the numbers, no, such as the frequency, mean, median, and mode. This time, let's have a short activity. Use the graphic organizer to differentiate quantitative and qualitative research. So you write here at least four um, description of the quantitative research and four description of the qualitative research. And you list at least three common characteristics of quantitative and qualitative research. So I will give you good 5 minutes to um, to have or to answer this activity. This time, you will also be answering the following. Simply answer it briefly. What is the difference between quantitative and qualitative research? Number two, state the qualities of qualitative and quantitative research. So you write your answer in your activity notebook. And this time rather, direction is present your understanding of the lesson through a topic outline and give examples. So you give set of examples in form of title from a research that you will be researching this time. So I think we have a stable internet connection this time. Or if di ka research then you think of a title that is a qualitative research or a quantitative research. Again, qualitative reveals more on the experiences. So you give at least three, and quantitative research reveals more about the measurements of a data, like frequency, mean, median, and mode. Okay, so please answer this segment. And for the lesson four, we will be discussing the different kinds of research across field. Last time, we learned the difference between quantitative and qualitative research. And this time, we will explore more about how are we going to execute and apply the different principles of quantitative and qualitative research. So the following are some examples of titles and abstract in the different strands in senior high school. So please examine the study carefully on the information and communication technology or ICT. Why is it categorized as qualitative research? Please read the statement or the selection. So kindly identify what makes this research abstract a qualitative. Please draft your answer in your activity notebook. Second research abstract, we have here the STEM or science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Black undergraduate women and their sense of belonging in STEM at predominantly white institutions. So this is the title, and this is the publication details. We have here the author and the publication journal and the version and the different pages. And here is the article. Please read the article carefully and identify what makes the statement or the abstract qualitative in nature. The next one, we have the arts and design. Please read carefully. And we have the humanities and social sciences. Another research abstract from sports on parents' perception of their children's experiences in physical education and youth sport. Um, that's the title. And these are the details of the study. Another one is for agriculture. Reflective journeys of 5 women agriculturists in Australia, a qualitative study. So please read the abstract and identify which makes the statement or the research a qualitative in nature. Right? That ends our lesson for today. So please do some research about the qualitative and quantitative nature of research for further readings. That would be all, and have a great day.